Just let me add it.
Guys, what's up? We're here in Spanish Town. What are you around here now? Golden Acres. Boy, you know much time. Come to me. You know much time I drive past this area, I never know say the name Golden Acres. That's the first time I come on the street here. I'm coming from Spanish Town. All the Spanish Town people, big up on yourself. Right here, we're on the delivery trail. We are your friendly shipping company that allows you to purchase your items online and then we deliver them to your doorstep here in Jamaica. So we're making a delivery. I mean, fast. I notice on the veranda there, I see some sewing machine. How me know? Because my mother used to sew when I little bit. All of you Jamaicans who are overseas, big up on yourself. You don't know where go already, you know. Back in the days, you know the clothes them used to go. Whenever you used to go to the store go buy clothes, mother used to make the clothes them. Alright? So the customer come back and have a chat with him. I want to know if him is a tailor. You know my last name is? Yes sir. You're fast, but look for your veranda, I see what sewing machine. Who can sew? Mother. Oh yeah, mother sew, because you're the tailor, you know. My mother used to sew too. So she used to make a uniform and something. Well, you like the service, right?
Yeah, it can be.
It's convenient. You bring come your yard, you don't have to worry yourself. I take a bus or go to drive a car, go down there.
But just know say, if I want to see it,
combined shipment. How that work, guys, is that if you have two packages, if one of them weigh half pound, another weigh half pound, normally you're going to be charged for 2 pounds. But if you combine them together in a combined shipment, you only pay for a pound, so you save some money on this, alright? Check out that picture, guys. Alright, enough respect. Thank you so much for using the service. Did I tell other people to use the service? Some people afraid. Some people say, why this not real? Tell them for me, tell them say it's real and you use it 7 times now.
Yeah man, it's real. I mean, if you really want to receive this, just make sure that you combine.
Do the combine. Alright, thank you so much. Enough respect. Happy to meet you. Glad to meet you. Alright. Alright, looking forward to serving you. Alright, enough respect. Alright guys, you heard that? You hear me tell you? Do the combine shipping. Save some money. You want to save some money? Talking about saving money. Guys, we have a platinum program.
I have one question.
You have one question. You want to video the question? You don't want to video the question. Let me just finish this. If you want to save even more, join our platinum membership. As a platinum member, you get to ship 4 times per year for free. Alright, catch you guys later. We're going to chat. Bye bye guys. Yeah.